Namaskarams. Welcome back. As we move along through the aksharams of the Panchadashakshari mantra, we come to number 7. The syllable is Sa. We will continue to seek the blessings of Sri Rajarajeshwari through the divine verses of Adi Shankaracharya's Sri Rajarajeshwari Mantra Matrakastavam. Please join me and chant along. Sarveshanga Viharinim Sakarunam Sannadinim Nadinim Samyoga Priyarupinim Priyavatim Pritam Prataponatam Sarvantargatishalinim Shivatanussandeepinim Deepinim Shri Chakrapriya Bindu Tarpana Param Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari Shri Rajarajeshwari. Here are the meanings. Salutations to Goddess Sri Rajarajeshwari, who pervades all limbs of all beings, who is filled with compassion and always ready to act, who is resounding with the primordial sound, who is fond of union and togetherness, who is the most beloved and affectionate, who shines with unmatched majesty, who is the inner queen of all faculties of perception and thought, who brings forth the highest state of Shiva, supreme consciousness, and who radiates light, who is ever fond of the worship of Sri Chakra and its central Bindu, who is the supreme queen, Sri Rajarajeshwari,